Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening the contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just go to the contacts. If you are not sure how to do it, no worries, just open the dialer. Here in the home, we have to tap on the three bars icon in the left upper corner and then tap on contacts. Now we have to find the contact which we would like to edit and tap on it. So I'll pick this one and then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner. So here we can choose the picture or calling card. I highly recommend to change both actually, thanks to which you can customize the contact even more, but I will focus on the picture. So let me tap on it. And here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So obviously we can choose something from our own gallery, our own photo. We can also immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, which are backtop photos, the Monogram. So we can choose the first or the second letter of, the first letter of the name or surname or any other letters of your choice. You can change them. You can change also the background color. You can also manage the font, or you can use emoji. Just tap on emoji. Here, tap on it. On the emoji, and here we can choose from the emoji from the list of all available ones. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. Let me pick something like maybe, oh my god, maybe toothbrush, why not? So here we've got the emoji style, and we can change it to the monochrome way and it will look more like the icon. Just tap on the switcher here and it will immediately change it. Sometimes in some emojis the differences are really huge. We can also use something from the illustrations, and those options are free of charge. They are available online, so if you don't feel like using the monogram or any kind of photo, you can try to find something here, maybe something funny, maybe something which resembles you about this person. So quite a lot of beautiful options here. So what we will do, let me choose this Nemo maybe, or clownfish. So just tap on it. After tapping, you can choose the presets because we've got different colors available. I think I'll pick maybe this one. We can also crop the picture. So not only this illustration, but also your photo or something, or the photo taken from the camera. You will be able to zoom in or out the photo just by pinching your fingers. You can also change the position of the photo, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for what you will see after that. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.